Trying to find the Toyota Venza fuel pump. It seems like no one has actually blogged about it, so we are trying to do it for adventure purpose. So the first thing here, we actually lose out the other seat there, and we couldn't find it because there is a job which we want to perform on this car, and it requires that we're going to know exactly where the fuel pump is located. So we're moving a lot of things out of place here. And to fold this seat, let me show you guys. What's gonna be? Okay, for this seat, you just need to grab here. Now, for this very seat, to lose it out completely is easy. You gotta lose this one here and lose this bolt also. So you lose it, and it's been secured by 14mm. So I'm gonna screw this one back because I don't want the seat to come out, to come down entirely. I just only want to lose it, then let it fold. To let it fold, so that is, so this boat here, it has 3 boats there, there are 2 more up there, so we just need to keep these 2 intact. Then when you fold it from here, then you have 1 bolt here and you have 2 bolts here, which is still 14mm. So as soon as you lose it up, you can be able to fold it up here. I'm certain the fuel pump is gonna be underneath this seat here, so we're gonna go ahead. Give me the ratchet. Fasten this one first. Fasten that one first. One. Is it set? Yeah. Huh? Is this setting? I want to lift it up. Okay, so we're closing out these 2 14mm bolts, which you can see here. So we're gonna go ahead and lose out this one. Like I told you guys, it's more like an adventure, but we need to find it. When we find it, then definitely you know how it is. So now to pull it up. Christ. Now I think this is gonna be where the okay, so the fuel pump is supposed to be in the other location because this is the second tank, huh? Of course, this is not an opening, this is locked. The fuel pump is on that side there. The people who have even lost it have even spoiled this cable. They spoiled it. Just imagine, they don't know how to. Okay, it's gonna be in that side. This one is the second gauge that is supplying this side, that is or the second fuel pump. Go ahead. It didn't match well. Seem like what's yes, that's the fuel. Okay. So no. It means it is from under. So on the episode on checking the fuel pump, this is the wiring harness for the fuel pump. 4 wires as it's supposed to. The black and white is the ground, while the ash is the power, right? Now I think there's a little bit of stuff to be done here, either to get this thing out, because there is no way. I don't think Venza will want to actually design this car right now and want people to drop the tank to actually replace the fuel pump. So definitely this is where the fuel pump is. Alternatively, you have to drop the fuel tank to actually see the fuel pump, but it can't get past this. And for now, the main job which I'm doing on this car doesn't warrant that I'm going to drop the tank or see the fuel pump. All I need is just to check the power that comes here when I switch on the ignition, so I can be able to know the ground and tap my power from there and do what I want to do. So guys, I hope you find this very helpful to replacing a Venza fuel pump. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.